Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I change the Microsoft SQL database file location from default location to different location. The first, the default location is C colon program files slash Microsoft SQL server slash MSSQL 13.msSQL server slash MSSQL slash data. So my purpose is to move the files from this folder to the new folder, which is C database, this next database folder. This folder is just like I created, after before the moving the files. I have created. I'm using Microsoft SQL 2016, and in the SQL management studio, I just create a new database named school, and then in the database, I create a new two files, two tables. One is class, the other one is, student, and I put some data in it. After this, I need to run the, procedure to move the files, database files to the new location. So the first one I run is to run this one. Just right click the server and then click a new query, and then I run this one. This one will put the database offline and detach the database to Google database. After this run this one, I can start to move the file to the new location. I just copy these two files from this original folder to this new folder. I created a new folder database, and then move this two files to the new folder. One is MDF is for the database, the other one is LDF is for the log file, database log file. And then this after I finish this one, I run this second command to to attach the database to the new location, to the new file location, which is the column database. But I get some error message. The error message I get is access denied. So I just, when I run this one, I get this one. Unable to open physical file, C column next database next school.mdf, access is denied, and same as the other one. Then what I can do is I just, when I open this file properties in the new folder, I also get this screenshot. It says, you must have read permission to view the properties of this object, same as the MDF file. So in the original folder, I go to the security permissions tab. I can see the MS SQL Server group has full control to the folder. Like for example, if I go to the original folder, but go to properties, go to security, you see there's a MS SQL Server security group has full control to this in this folder. But because I just created a new folder, this group does not exist. So what I need to do is I need to add this group to the new folder. I just go to the new folder and go to the folder properties, properties, security, and then click edit. In the edit one, click add button, and then I change it to the local server, and then I put NT service. I put it like this, and then check them. Either way, show the MS SQL server. That's what I need. I just click OK and add it to this one and give them the full control to the for this folder. Click OK. So I already done this. So the next one is when I do this, set up set up the permission for this folder, and then I run this command, in SQL again. And this one, I still get the access denied error message. So issue. The next step is I just, this for this folder itself, I click advanced and then I change the owner of the file. For example, if I go to the file itself, go to this one. For this file, I just click properties, advanced, and then security, advanced. In this one, I just click change, I change the owner to myself. That's my login, to this server. I change the, the owner for this file to myself. Then I can see all the permissions, for this one. I can see all the permissions. Before that, I can't see it. Then the next one is I just need to go to the folder again, go to the folder, and then click properties. Make sure I set up the same permission as the original folder, and then I click advanced. In the advanced, I tick the box to replace all child, object permission entries with inheritable permissions entries from this object. This means, we want all the, the files in the folder have the same permission as the folder. So I just click apply. After I apply this one, I go back to the, to this one again, to this, and run this command, run this command to attach the file to this database, and it runs successfully. You see, it runs successfully. And then I can also, show the, if I open the table, I can see the content in the table. So this is the command to get all the, permissions from the folder itself. It shows, what's the owner for the folder and what's the, access permission for this folder, which user has which permission. So I can see the NT space service next MS SQL server has full control for this folder. So that's what I can get. And this one, what I changed the, the owner myself, so I can see all the, permission. This one is I run the, attach the database with the view database file and the log file. And this one I show how I access the table of the, file migration relocation. Yeah. That's all I show you today. Thank you.